This is one of the most confusing topics for mastering the Italian language, and that is the proper adoption and usage of verbs in the different Italian tenses. On one hand, what makes it complex in Italian is that we have about 20 tenses to conjugate verbs. So the first challenge is already remembering them, recognizing them, and using them. But the other complex factor, and the one I want to focus on in this video, is the translation from English to Italian and vice versa when it comes to verbs. And the main problem is the following. What you would normally consider present or past in English, in Italian would be something completely different. Let me give you 3 examples. Number 1. Present to present. I want ice cream. Io voglio il gelato. This is a simple case. Present in English translates with present in Italian. Case number 2. Present to congiuntivo. Even though I want ice cream, I will not buy it. Sebbene io voglia il gelato, non lo comprerò. In this example, a simple present in English translates to a congiuntivo present in Italian. Case number 3. Present to imperative. Go to bed. Va a dormire. Here again, imperative in English, which is equal to the present in English, translates with imperative in Italian, which is different than present in Italian. As you can see, the main problem in here is that if you try to translate from English to Italian, you will for sure make a mistakes in your conjugation of the verbs. On one hand, we Italians would understand anyway if you speak with the wrong conjugation. But on the other hand, if you want to speak proper Italian and talk like a native, then maybe you should pay attention to the following tips. When it comes to translation and conjugation of verbs from English to Italian, then you should stop translating literally and you should start thinking about the sentence in itself. You will use the simple present in Italian when you're talking about a certain fact. I want ice cream. Io voglio il gelato. It's certain, it's now, I want ice cream. You will use congiuntivo in Italian when you're talking about wishes, desires, uncertainty, or doubts. Even if I want ice cream, I will not buy it. Sebbene io voglia il gelato, non lo comprerò. Wanting the ice cream is a wish of mine, therefore in Italian we would use congiuntivo, the tense that talks about wishes. And when you're expressing an order, you would have to use imperativo. Go to bed. Va a letto. In essence, what will make you go from intermediate to advanced in Italian is really start thinking logically about the meaning of the sentence. And I know that in English you do not have these problems and it's much easier. But in Italian, especially at the beginning, you will have to spend really a lot of time trying to understand the sentence. If you are really struggling with this, I can always help. I hope this was helpful, at least in giving you the right mindset. And as always, enjoy learning Italian.